Welcome to the Interactive Reading Coach. This platform provides real-time feedback and data-driven insights as you read, helping you track your progress across many different types of comprehension challenges. In this video, we have 3 specific goals. We will create your student account, log you into the platform, and use a teacher's code to join your specific class. Before we start, you need one essential item, your class invite code. Your teacher should have provided this to you earlier. It is important to have this code ready now, as it is the only way to ensure your reading data and progress are correctly reported to your teacher's dashboard. Our first step begins on the Interactive Reading Coach homepage. Look in the top right corner of the navigation bar and click the purple button labeled Student Portal. This opens the portal interface. It defaults to the login screen, so click the Sign Up tab to begin creating your profile. Fill in the required fields. Enter a nickname, select an optional avatar, choose a unique username and a secure password. Stop and write down your username and password on a piece of paper. You will need to type these in exactly on the next screen. You may notice a field for a class invite code here. We are going to skip that for now, as we will enter that directly into your dashboard later to ensure a secure connection. Click the purple button at the bottom, labeled Create Student Account, to submit your information. When you see this registration success banner appear, your account has been officially created. This establishes your unique digital identity on the platform, allowing the engine to begin tracking your reading speed and accuracy over time. If the page doesn't automatically change, click the Login tab to return to the sign-in screen. Enter the username and password you just recorded and click the purple Login button. You are now at your student dashboard. Since this is a new account, your accuracy, quiz counts, and reading history will all be empty. Scroll down to the My Classroom section. Currently, this area will show you are not yet assigned to a class. Without joining a class, your reading data cannot be seen by your teacher, which prevents them from assigning specific passages or seeing your progress. To link your account, retrieve the class invite code prepared at the start of this tutorial. In the My Classroom's header, locate the text box on the right labeled Class Invite Code. Go ahead and type your code into this box. Ensure you match the letters and numbers exactly as provided to avoid any enrollment errors. Once the code is entered, click the purple Join button to finalize the connection. This step bridges your student profile to your teacher's active curriculum, giving you access to assigned readings and assessments. If you entered the code correctly, a green Success modal will appear on your screen. Close that message and take a look at your updated dashboard. You will now see your classroom listed. For example, Reading G6, along with a breakdown of your cognitive domain mastery for literal, inferential, and evaluative reading. Your account is now fully integrated with your teacher's classroom. You are ready to begin your first reading assessment and start building your comprehension profile.